a queen of mine. Perfectly designed. Without even trying, her lips are rising, driving crazy.
Hey you, welcome or welcome back to my channel. It's me, LD, and we are doing something a little different today. We are going to zone in and zen up and do some adult coloring. So I was talking to my therapist, and it was suggested to me that I find another creative outlet and something that would require me to stay within the lines, something that would require attention to detail and would be very therapeutic. So it was suggested to me that I get an adult coloring book, but I am who I am. I'm still a glam girl. So I got this book right here. It's called Naturally Cute, illustrated by Chris Miller. There's 50 pages. This is the back. This is Mr. Miller right here. And I've actually already started. So let me show you some of the ones I've already done. I've done this little beauty right here. This chica right here. And this fly girl right here. So I want to do something new on the channel for Therapy Thursday. And yeah, we're going to color. So before we get into the page that we're going to color, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Then hit that notification bell button so you know when all of my uploads are uploaded. And I think this is something that I really want to incorporate in the channel. So if, I get a good response from you, we can do this live. You all go get your coloring book. We'll get down to the YouTube live and we'll color. Just, you can still make things pretty, and it doesn't require you to spend a lot of money. It doesn't require you to make up your face, your hair, and all of that. And so I'm really enjoying this. So I have these color pencils that I got from Walgreens. So get you some coloring pencils from wherever. Get your coloring book and let's color. Color with me. So this is our first time. So I think I'm going to try something easy. I was looking at her with the hot knots. So I think, yeah, this will be simple for our first time out. I'm just kind of looking at what she got going on. So yeah, let's do it. I think this will be a good little fresh start. All right, so let's get into it. Let's start with her jacket. I love a good jean jacket. So and here we go. I gotta try to angle this so you all can see me coloring. Let's see. Okay, here we go. Yeah, there we go. And I'm going to speed this up as I go along, just not to hold you too long. Okay, I flipped the camera around so you could see a little better because my hand kept being in the way. So, oh, okay. Trying to get all of her jewelry done. I just figured it out. I'm right-handed, so the camera should be on over my shoulder on my left side. I'll be back.
Ain't no love here, no love here, no kiss here, no hug where. That's all gone, that's done here. Yeah. Ain't no love here, no love here, no kiss here, no hug here. Was in love with the essence of, everything that we could have been. You just there in my presence though, told me everything that I should have been. And I ain't one for playing games, especially ones that I couldn't win. When I jumped ship, you thought I'd drown, cause without you, just couldn't swim. But I'm still afloat, waters is clear, sky looking blue, sun is golden. Ain't no more love, you know what I learned? Intelligence over emotion. Sipping a potion, thinking how potent you have me under your spell. Thanking the heavens, cause Lord only knows a nigga was going through hell. Fell off, but I bounced back. Blessings always count that. Damn girl, your account hack, cause you snapping now. How about that? You chat more, I talk less. Had to block calls, ignore text. From the back door to the front steps. No love here, wrong address. Ain't no love here, no love here, no kiss here, no hug where. That's all gone, that's done here. Yeah. Ain't no love here, no love here, no kiss here, no hug where. That's all gone, that's done here. Yeah. Them tables turn like they often do. Grass is green, got an awesome view. Say I ain't shit, well that's far from true. Don't I smell just like a number two? But rule number one, oh I forgot. They wait till you dead or you gone. That's when they miss you, that's when they love you. They try to edit the song. I'm good on the remix, just like a phoenix, spreading my wings in the light. You was the reason, said fuck catching feelings. I'm focused on catching the flight. Up, and I fly away. Love going to a hideaway. Jordan mean with the crying face. That saltiness, it's in a quiet taste. And I'm wide awake, got some higher learning. Try hard to keep the fire burning. I'm pulling out with them tired skirts. That bullshit just had the curve. And I'm out of service, disconnect. Pulled the curtain on the disrespect. I live and learn, I don't do regrets. But I ain't perfect, I still can flex. Ain't no love here, no love here. No kiss here, no hug where. That's so gone, that's done here. Yeah. Ain't no love here, no love here, no kiss here, no hug where. That's so gone, that's done here. Yeah.
Such a mess until you took my hand and held me out of numbness, became my truest friend. I'd been running looking for a home, and when you saw me out of breath from running on my own, is when you kissed me out of death. Now that I'm recovering, I'm so glad for one thing only. I'm so glad I let you in, because woman,
this body, it remembers so much. The time won't let me forget another dimension. I am my mother, my father, and a mother before her. I am the consequence of two strangers at the altar. Take it easy on me, yeah, the living's never easy. But my instinct to love dissolved all thoughts I had of leaving. I'm doing the best I can, I hope it's enough. Maybe you can't keep me safe, but keep me loved. I'm doing the best I can, I hope it's enough. Maybe you can't keep me safe, but keep me loved. Keep me loved. Keep me loved.
This is our first color with me. I think we did a great job. So that's it. I want to thank you so much for hanging out with me today. Always remember to pack light, because bag lady, bag man, you and me too, we are going to hurt our backs. Ugh, dragging all them bags like that. Go forth and slay. I'll see you next time. Don't forget, get your coloring book so we can do this live. All right, bye.
We on our War You Fam shit, you heard? Thank you, come again. Gang, gang, gang. Shitting me?